Mike Hughes here. I'm with Dive Provo, and Alan, you're going to tell us a little bit about Dive Provo?
I'd be glad to, man. Claire and I own Dive Provo. We've been there now for 22, going on 23 years. Providenciales is part of the Turks and Caicos Islands.
Right.
A destination well known for vertical walls, big critters,
sperm whales,
marine parks, and lots and lots of healthy marine life. Getting there is really quite easy. I mean, we have direct flights from multiple cities in the United States. We spend the US dollar. The language spoken down there is mostly English, but we do have quite a large expatriate population from the Dominican Republic, Haiti, or the Philippines. So you may hear some different languages, but by and large, we speak English. And whenever Americans become a little bit too comfortable with the island, we mess with you a little bit because we drive on the left.
Yes. Now, what are your two most famous dive sites, you would say?
You know, we've got about 60 different moored dive sites. As
I just said 2 and you said 60.
Well, there's so many to choose from. I mean, you know, a dive's a dive, as Claire would say sometimes.
Right.
Fish swim. You never know who's going to be swimming by on any given day.
Okay.
I mean, there are some dive sites where we can predict that, yes, certain sharks, for example, will be swimming around. There's one at West Caicos, a dive site called the Gully, which is a swim through where you drop in through the top of the vertical wall and come out the bottom. You go in about 50 feet, come out the bottom in about 80 feet, and there's a shark there that's been given the name of Sully because she is Sully at the Gully. And you know, 7, 8 times out of 10, you will find Sully at the Gully. There's dive sites you go where there's schools of horseye jacks just circling around in the shade under the boats. You know, we don't have any orchestrated fish feed kind of dives. So anything that we come across, it's doing whatever it wants to do.
And it kind of changes the time of year when they're going?
We see more spotted eagle rays and humpback whales in the wintertime.
Right.
Because the humpback whales migrate down through there from the northeast United States down to the Silver Banks, which are between the Turks and Caicos Islands and the Dominican Republic.
Cool.
We don't get a lot of frogfish and seahorses, but we do get them.
Well, that's okay. I don't mind seeing a couple whales. And then if they want more information about your the whole Dive Provo, where would they go?
Diveprovo.com.
Well, that was easy.
It's quick and easy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.